Hi, today I'm going to show you how to get to some more Canvas resources and help. So first you're going to start on the District 186 homepage, and under Programs you're going to click on Programs and then click on Instructional Technology under Departmental. Once you get there, you're just going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to see this red box that says Canvas Information on the left. Click that. And then at the top, you're going to see basic information, teachers, students, and parents. So you're going to be in the students and the parents side of thing, either one. So let's pretend that I want to look for some more resources for parents. So I'm going to click on parents. And when I scroll down, then I can see all of these blue links that are going to take me to different things that will help me learn more about Canvas. And there's all sorts of quick start guides right from Canvas directly. Now, if you were looking to help your student learn more about Canvas and what Canvas can do for your students, you would simply click on the Students tab and scroll down again, and then you can see again, it's got all these blue links that describe things that students can do and will take you directly to resources and video tutorials, that will help your student learn more about Canvas. These are great ways for parents to learn more about Canvas as well by watching them with your students. And one last thing, when you're in Canvas, if you go to the bottom, there's also a help guide, and you'll see the little panda shoot out from the left side, and he has a search bar, and you can always search for more help once you're in the Canvas page. So hopefully that was helpful. Like I said, this is all on the District 186 Technology page under the Students and Parents tab. Thank you.